Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add ads on YouTube videos. So first of all we will see how we can make default setting for ads for all our future uploads. Simply we will go into settings. In the upload default section in the monetization, you have selected all types of all ads. Now we will see how we can monetization on our all uploads at one time. Simply we will select all that main edit. We can find a monetization options. Simply turn on monetization for all. Now we will see how we can put multiple ads in one video. I have opened this video. Make sure the video must be at least 8 minutes, so that you can put your ads in the place you want. Simply go to the editor tab. Here we can put ads as many as we want. Make sure that you don't put ad in the mid of important. Put your ads only there, where you think one topic is closed, and the other is starting, so that viewers don't get rid of this. The monetization tab makes sure you have allowed all types of ads. Hopefully, you have liked this short tutorial. If you like my content, please like and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.